Good morning, all of you. I hope that you be fine at your home. Previous lecture we had discussed from will learn we will study English literature in this book. First lesson, the white elephant. So we will discuss about this lesson, the white elephant. First of all, we know about the author of this lesson. The name of author of this lesson is Ruskin Bond. We know about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, an Indian author of British origin, in one of the most popular children writers in India. यह ब्रिटिश राइटर होते हुए भी ये भारत में रहते थे और भारत के लिए, भारत बच्चों के लिए ये कहानियाँ और कविताएं लिखते थे. The author began writing in his first novel, The Room on the Roof. The author began writing, ये लिखना प्रारंभ किए एक नोवेल से. उस नोवेल का नाम है द रूम ऑन द रूफ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इन्होंने इसी नोवेल को लिखा था एट द एज ऑफ 17. दैट टाइम he was only 17 years old. He also won the John Lavenley Race Memorial Prize for this work. He got this type of work. He got prize this type of work. He has also been rewarded with other prestigious award such as Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 and the Padma Shri in 1999. इस तरह के बहुत सारे इन्होंने बच्चों के लिए कहानियाँ और कविताएं लिखे, पोएम भी लिखे, कहानी भी लिखे, नोवेल भी लिखे और इनको साहित्य एकेडमी अवार्ड से नवाजा गया 1992 में, 1992 में, और पद्मश्री का अवार्ड इनको 1999 में मिला. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस about the word meaning of this chapter. First, majestic, grand, impressive because of size and beauty. Abandon, to leave a place, thing, or a person with no intention of returning. Third, terrific, badly scared. Separately with great need or urgency. Bustling, full of people moving about in a busy way. And avoid the place where you live. Now we will discuss about lesson the white elephant. Read the story about the great white elephant who once lived in the forest of Mount Kindorna. In this story, we will read, we will know about white elephant who live in forest of माउंट कैंडोरना। हम लोग इस कहानी में उजले हाथी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो जंगल में कैंडोरना माउंटेन के तराई में रहते थे। दिस स्टोरी इज वंस अपॉन ए टाइम देयर लिव्ड ए herd of 80,000 elephants and at the foothill of the Grand Himalayas. Their leader was majestic white elephant who was extremely kind-hearted. He loved his old and blind mother dearly and took great care of her. Now, meaning of this paragraph is that there was a herd of elephant lived in forest of Mount Kandorna. A white elephant was the leader of this herd. He was extremely kind-hearted, बहुत दयालु था, and he loved his old blind mother dearly. वह अपनी बूढ़ी और अंधी माँ से बहुत प्यार करता था, and to great care, और उसके ऊपर काफी ध्यान देता था, उसका काफी देख रेख करता था। Once upon a time there lived a group of many elephants in the Himalayas. The head of those elephant, the head of those herd was a white elephant. Okay, understand you? Second paragraph. Each day the white elephant would go deep into the forest in search of the best of the wild fruits for his mother. He used to send fruit to his mother through the other elephants in his herd, but they were a bunch of greedy elephants. They used to eat the fruits themselves and never gave anything to the white elephant's old mother. The white elephant was completely disappointed with his herd. Every day they went to the deep in forest to search their food. They search fruits, and the leader of this herd, who was white elephant, sent fruit to his mother by other elephant of this herd. But some elephants in this herd were greedy. They eat themselves the fruit which is sent by white elephant to her mother. They did not give these fruits to his mother. They eat themselves. When the white elephant know this matter, he was very disappointed to these elephants, to his herd. One day he decided to abandon to herd and go with his mother to Mount Kandorna to live in a cave beside a beautiful lake that had lovely pink lotus. Then one day the white elephant think and decided that he leave this place where all elephants were live, and he decided to go other place to leave Mount Kandorna in a cave beside a beautiful lake that had lovely pink lotus. वहां रहने के लिए निश्चय किया जहां एक गुफा था, एक झील के किनारे। उस झील में पिंक लोटस खिले हुए थे। You understand this paragraph? Once upon a time, there lived a group of many elephants in the Himalayas. The herd of those was white elephant, which is very kind herd. He was having a mother which is blind and old. She cannot feed for him, so that white elephant searched for food and used to feed her mother daily. But unfortunately, daily he could not find food because all the other elephants were greedy and they used to fruits and veggies. So he migrated to the forest named Mount Kandorna and decided to live in a cave which is situated bank of lake. I think that you understand this paragraph. Next paragraph will read next day. Okay.